Okay, ladies, here's a quick and easy pink sherbet wood grain. Welcome back to T by L Accessories. We're going to do a quick and easy girly wood grain. I thought we needed something for the ladies that didn't want the traditional brown. So we want to do a pink sherbet. This is the Tim Holtz alcohol inks, same as any other. All you're going to do, get a brush, nice bristles so you won't have the bristles all on your cup. Up and down, back and forth. Just go with it. There's really no wrong way of well, I can't say that. There is wrong ways. But if you just do long strokes up and down the cup, you'll come to a good wood grain. And this is a pink sherbet, Tim Holtz. You can find this at Amazon. I like to use goggles.com. They have them pretty cheap and they normally have deals on them. But again, back and forth, up and down, long strokes, and you'll come out with a great wood grain. And here's our final results. What you think of that? I think I love that pink. I have to make one for myself. Well, thanks again. Catch you later.